time for another hunt. Let's go. Hey, I'm just finishing the last video, and what did you guys think about all that? Did you like the ending, or do you not like it? Let me know. We're about to get into a new hunt. You ready? Holy moly. Pop culture. They have a BMW and they have a Lambo. Now, we've already got the Lambo. We've got two Lambos. We've got one BMW. So we might grab another BMW. Yeah, why not? We'll be leaving here with this. I'll see you guys in the next store. We've got another Walmart. Let's see if this Jeep brings us the Honda Super Treasure Hunt, because it's red. Or any type of Supers, really. Maybe even a new Q case. Let's see what they've got. And they actually just dumped a whole bin. Oh my gosh. Why did they do that? Alright, let's go see if they're both regulars. Yup. Dudsky. Where is PK? So super fresh. Oh man. I wish they didn't just dump it. We're looking for the treasure hunt. Okay, 1, 2, 3, none of those. 3, no. Porsche's cool, it's definitely a highlight. I have 1 and 2 more. So we have the Super already. This music sucks here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so Cyclone Jaguar. And there we go. Finally, after what, 4 boxes, we find the regular treasure hunt. Oh my gosh. This car has been as hard to find as the Super. Actually, we found the Super before the regular treasure hunt. That's the only thing that we were missing from this case. So that's gonna do it for this one. Yes, that's it. We gotta get out of here. This music is so freaking loud. It's unbelievable. But finally, we got the treasure hunt. Yeah, I think there's a speaker right above the toys, because so many people are. This store is like so hard to get stuff that you never know when they'll be dropping stuff. And oh my gosh. All right, so to go over the highlights, we got the Mustache. We did finally get the treasure hunt, the Mercedes. We got the Batmobile, which is the similar color to the Porsche, then the Chevy Blazer, 2 of these Dodge Chargers, a regular BMW wagon. We got the BMW 635 CSI, the new Mustang, recolor actually. We got the Cyclone, 2 Ferraris, which I think it's only 1 per box. We are not feeling lucky because this is a Dudsky, so Porsche and the Mazda look really gnarly. Cone shaker with the recolor, and that's about it. So we'll see you guys in the next store. All right, and I don't know how much stuff I got because that store was super loud, but we did want to get the straddle. Gotta crack a straddle open because these are very nice, especially with the black. Yes, the glass moves a little bit. Let's do a little sun check. My goodness, this thing is nice, right? Super sweet, right? Ferrari SF90 Stradale. And we finally completed the PKs with the Audi 84 Audi Sport Quattro Treasure Hunt. So make sure you smash that like button, and we'll see you guys in the next store. We've got another Walmart. Let's see what they've got. Fresh PKs. So we're gonna put it out because it is fresh. So we got the Porsche and the Ferrari. Also got the Zinger, the Mustache. Oh, Mustache got me earlier. I thought the Mustache had a wheel error, but no, they all have the same back wheel, which is like the 2-spoke from like the Ford in the last previous case. But Mustang is here too. Oh, it's cool to see a fresh P case. We have not had much luck with it, as the hit rate is pretty staggering. Now, what do you guys think in here? Will it be the Super, or is it going to be the regular? Volvo's pretty dope. Ooh, skull shaker. And let's see, 3, 2, 1. Is it going to be no, let's see. We'll put the rest of these on. We got the Lambo. Sick. Again, there is no treasure hunt from what I can see, but Ford GT, the Mercedes, Batmobile, they're all here. What do we have? Another custom Ford. Oh, there's a regular Dodge Charger. Super Hellcat. Wish it was a super treasure hunt with that Hellcat. But Porsche 911. Another Porsche. Oh, Mazda Porsche. Oh my gosh, I'm losing my... I think you guys know why I'm acting funky. Oh, I can't hold it anymore. Check it out. And that's gonna be an FPQG. We've got the super treasure hunt. Oh, you can see that bumper right away. As soon as I leaned in, I'm like, wait a minute. Is that super? Yes, it is. So freaking nice. Oh, it's such a busy design too, where the green just is super freaking shiny, and I love it. But that's what I've noticed. There's another Dodge Charger. We have not been able to get the treasure hunts. The treasure hunts are not as common, I guess. They're not in every box. Yep, one more time. See, especially the Super. So right now we've seen more Supers than we've seen of the regular treasure hunt. Oh, right. So far this is case number fresh case number 6 that we've seen of P case. So 6 cases, 2 Supers, and 1 treasure hunt. Quick Bite is super fun. So is the Mazda and this other track Dragon. But that's going to do it for this Wally World. Thank you guys for stepping in, joining us in on this hunt. We're going to be taking these 2 and the box, because this could be the lucky box. Or we need a new box to store these. Other than that, we'll see you guys in the next store. Check it out. We got a Dollar Tree in the middle of nowhere. Let's see what they've got. All right, we got a Wally World. Let's see what they've got. All right, so we got the Gordon Murray, Lambo, Porsche, Blazer, Volvo, Porsche, Cone Shaker, Mercedes, Ferrari, Lotus, not Lotus, Gordon, Jaguar, BMW, Mazda, Cyclone, Honda, Mazda, and that's it for the store. Well, we have happened to find another P case. Cyclone, feeling like we are feeling kind of lucky. And what else is there? The Ferrari, of course, the 3, 2, 1, and it's gonna be a duh. Oh no. And not even a treasure hunt. Once again, we got duped. That's unreal. Just seem these cases are terrible hit rates. Doesn't that just look like it's a happy smile? Super clean, with a little bit of a dent. And we have got ourselves a 1, a 2, and 3 cases. Let's see what they've got. Alright, so 1 and 2.
You know, like a folding stadium chair, you know, that you put in a band.
Oh, there should be right in the sports equipment. Yep. I think they actually just restocked them earlier.
Oh, okay, good.
No idea, but hey. Yeah, these 2 are both already open. They're double taped. So we're gonna try our luck with J case, which I think this one's also been already open. Yeah. Honda, right? There be now the JC. Oh, this is the red editions. It's not even the J case. So 1, 2, 3 Hondas up on top. We're gonna. I thought it was a J case. I'm looking for the Chevy gasser. Meanwhile, we're getting the High Roller 2. Well, let's see if the High Roller 2 is in here. We are going to obviously leave it, but it is a regular, and there's a treasure hunt in there too. Alright, we got one more box that we have not opened. It looks like it's already been opened, so let's try it. No, it's double tape. Oof, this one's been looked at by millions. This one is how the double tape just kind of goes over the regular. Somebody double tape both sides. But hey, what can you do? This is gonna be the N. Oh no, it's the M case. Yep, MNB. There's only one charger. Usually there's 2 per box. But yeah, it's getting really, really tough to find anything. People are just, yeah, everyone's doing the same thing. And I think it's fair to say that it's a little bit thanks to us, because everyone has the same chances of getting stuff. So why not go out and hunt? See, this was missing 1, 2 cars as well. But let's see the top. Is the treasure hunt in there? Hey, we're gonna put this back nicely. We are not rude. There is the treasure hunt there as well. And maybe this one wasn't. No, it was definitely looked at. Not from both sides, but the top was definitely open. And then they want anything except for the treasure hunt. Well, it's got super quiet in the store now. The music's off. 1, 2, 3, and 4 blazers. Treasure hunt. Right? Actually, just had another lady. She was like, "Hey, do you work here?" I'm like, "No." She's like, "What do you know about treasure hunts?" I'm like, "Oh, you can find them anywhere." And it's like, "Well, my son just got a Miata, and he collects Hot Wheels, and I want to find him a Miata." And luckily, there was a Miata, so we gave her that one, and she was so like, "Oh my gosh, thank you so much." And yeah, no, it was super cool talking to her. And then that was it. She got the Miata, I got the boxes, and she's like, "Oh, that's super cool, they brought that out for you." I'm like, "Yep." I don't think I recorded that. Trying to be fast here, just because you guys know what happened last time we took our good old time. They came around and took the boxes away. So you can't have that happening again. Oh, check it out, wait a minute. There's a charger up on top. Is that one on top earlier? No. Alright. Gonna leave these as they are. And that means we'll see you guys in the next store. Oh, what a beauty! Nice look. Well, looks like the Hot Wheels need to be replenished, so. And here we go. So we've got ourselves boom, 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 a regular, and this one's such a regular that there's not even a treasure hunt, which would be, well, comment down below if you know the treasure hunt for the M case. And we've got a Target on this beautiful rainy day. Let's see what they've got. And we have beat our local scalper. He's like, "Oh, you must know the P case is here." Like, I had no idea, but maybe there is. Oh, look, this morning we have the Porsche, the Volkswagen, and the Honda Civic. We're gonna add those to our personal collection because we don't have them. But we might leave the Porsche, I don't know. I'm not the biggest fan of the gold, but we'll see. I don't think anything else is new here aside from the, well, we have the cartoon, they're new. Oh.
Depends on when it comes in Saturday.
Some good info.
Saturday morning, it'll be here Saturday.
You like manhandle that.
Is he getting an attitude with you?
Yeah. I don't have it. He's, well, if you're gonna be like that, you know, and I'm like, Well, no, I really want it. But yeah, I don't think it's supposed to be here.
That's great.
Yeah.
Well, I'll see you next.
Have a great day. Anyways, we're not fighting. We're just making our videos. So it's a fresh case. So that. Did you want any other ones of these? Yeah, you got the Ferrari and the treasure hunt. Then, so actually, there's 2 Ferraris in this case.
Sure.
Yeah, I got a couple, man. So, yeah, I actually thought it was the Q case when I saw that one, because I thought it was the other one, but no, that's the recolor of it, and that's pretty much it. The BMW's regular, 2 Porsches, 2 Hellcats, and after that fun stop at Wally World, and nothing in the P case except for the treasure hunt. Let's see what Wally World's got for us now. Hold on. This is the first time seeing these. These are the new Silver Series Fantasies. I think all 5 are here. Iridium. Oh, here it is, Iridium. And then it's Slingshot. Boom, Slingshot is here too. After Slingshot, oh, this is a metal base on the revert. My gosh, this is a heavy casting. I think it's, yep, it's metal on metal. Feels like a premium. Holy moly. This one's not as heavy, but it is another hollow back. And RD09. RD09 is also metal base, if I'm not mistaken. And it might be a full metal too. I don't know. Maybe half metal. This one's definitely full metal. Base metal. A little more than the base. This one's also metal base. And this one's plastic with metal. Iridium. Slingshot. Pretty cool to see these actually. First time seeing them. Is this something you would pick up or no? Let me know down in the comments about accelerators. Would you pick one up? Looks pretty sweet. But not really our cup of tea, I wouldn't say. Now that's it here. Now this is pretty dope. Pittsburghopoly. You got the trolley with the incline. A fun game celebrating the Steel City. Pretty dope. Alright, so we do have the HQT. Too bad it's not a Q, but it is an H case. And this one is gonna be a dud. Got one and both of the Mustangs. Put the rest of this case out. It'll be RB. Alright, so there was the chill mill.
Yeah.
Perfect. And then the rest of the boxes out. Unfortunately, this time H case was just a regular case. So until next time, make sure you smash that like button. Last videos, we forgot to show you this one. We have Amaro GTC, which is a bit of an error, and the front wheel is different. You can see here, this is different. It's supposed to be both of these, but this one is a little bit different. And yeah, we got that error. So I figured I'd include it in this video. So now let's take it up to this. We've got the regular treasure hunt of the 84 Audi Sports Quattro. You can see right here in the back the little flame, which lets you know that it's a treasure hunt. And that makes it 1-1. One treasure hunt, one super treasure hunt finally found. But then again, check this out. We found another super treasure hunt of the PKs. This one is hard to find, and this makes it a second one. So yeah, that's about it for this video. We'll see you guys in the next one. So make sure you are smashing that like button. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought about this video. And see you guys in the next one.